Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Capital One credit card detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Capital One credit card, begin by locating the activation instructions provided with your card. Typically, you will find a sticker on the front of the card that includes a phone number for activation. Alternatively, you can activate your card through the Capital One mobile app or the official website. If you choose to activate by phone, dial the number listed on the sticker. When prompted, provide the necessary information, including your card number and personal details. Ensure you have your social security number ready, as it may be required. Follow the instructions provided by the automated system or customer service representative. If activating online, visit the Capital One website and navigate to the activation section. Log into your account using your Capital One credentials. If you do not have an online account, you will need to create one. To create an account, you will need your credit card number and personal information. Once logged in, follow the prompts to enter your card details and complete the activation process. If you prefer using the mobile app, open it and sign in to your account. Tap on the activation option and follow the steps to activate your card. After activation, ensure you sign the back of your card to enhance security. It is also advisable to review the terms and conditions associated with your new credit card. Once activated, you can start using your Capital One credit card for purchases. Keep your card information secure and monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity. Congratulations, you're all set to enjoy the benefits of your new Capital One credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.